Now, we're going to quickly cut across to the ruckus currently in the Lok Sabha. Huge hangama there continues in the parliament.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy each of the following two reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Home Affairs. 233rd report on action taken by government on the recommendations public observations contained in the 230th report on atrocities and crimes against women and children, and 234th report on action taken by government on the recommendations public observations contained in the 232nd report of demand for grant 2021-22 of the Ministry of Donors. Thank you, sir.
Item number 14, Sri Padman Singh Kulaste.
अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपके अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 14 पर मेरे नाम से उल्लेखित कागजात लोकसभा के पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Item number 15, Sri Arjun Meghwal ji.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. With your kind permission, I rise to move that this House do agree with the 24th report of the Business Advisory Committee presented to the House on 9th August 2021 on behalf of my senior colleague Prahlad Joshi ji. Thank you.
All right, here's Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu warning protesting MPs there over Parliament deadlock. The Speaker Om Birla says MPs have been elected to raise issues of public and not create a ruckus. Rajya Sabha Chairman cautioned the members of the House that if the House is disrupted when farmers' plight is scheduled for discussion, a wrong message will be going out. Here we're looking at the Speaker as well as the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, both of them now trying to bring in some order within the houses. We're looking at Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu protesting, in fact warning those protesting MPs there over Parliament deadlock. Let's take a listen. Venkaiah Naidu.
You are preventing discussion on farmers' issue, which is a larger issue, which is scheduled for discussion today in the House. If the House is not allowed to function today, also a message will go that this House also is not concerned for the plight of the farmers, who are the bread givers for our people. A message will go out. So House must be allowed to function and we can discuss about farmers' issue. Yes, farmers' issue. Farmers' issue.
All right, here you have it. A huge ruckus in the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha. Both the Speaker and the Chairman warning MPs there that if they continue to protest this way, then it's only going to send out a wrong message. Let me cut across to Maushami joining us. Maushami, it appears that the opposition is united on the issue of Pegasus. They've been creating quite some ruckus for weeks together now. And here you finally have the Rajya Sabha Chairman as well as the Lok Sabha Speaker who are warning these MPs not to create a scene and ensure some order within the House.
Yes, we've seen the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Rajya Sabha Chairman, in fact, pull up the opposition MPs saying that on issues of public welfare, one needs to stop the disruption and, in fact, cooperate with the government, because Rajya Sabha Chairman precisely said that the House has not functioned more than 1 hour a day if you look at the 16 sittings in the monsoon session. And with the opposition hell-bent on, in fact, asking the government, demanding the government to discuss the Snoopgate issue in form of a proper discussion, that row continues. But importantly, you know, the OBC bill is being taken up in the Lok Sabha. The opposition has expressed that it will cooperate with the government on that bill. It doesn't want to be seen as disrupting any passage of bill that is related to the OBCs. On the other hand, the government is very keen on passing this bill in both the houses. So that is where we would expect a break in the entire tussle between the opposition and the government. The OBC bill is being taken up in the Lok Sabha right now, and perhaps there will be discussion of 4 hours have been slotted in the lower house for discussion on that bill.
Well, here you also have the Rajya Sabha chairman cautioning the members of the House now that if at all the MPs create a ruckus when the farmers' issue is discussed, then that would send out a wrong message. What exactly is the chairman there indicating, Maushmi?
Right, you know, we saw Jairam Ramesh, in fact, tweet out yesterday saying that though he'd given an issue on the discussion of the farmers' bill, the government has got that up today. But importantly, you know, the farmers' bill is going to be discussed today on a notice that has been given by Jairam Ramesh and several other leaders. And the opposition, perhaps the way has been up in arms against the government. Rajya Sabha chairman only hoping that there will be some fruitful work done in the upper house that is considered the House of Elders. He has been at pains trying to explain both sides to find some common ground, though the Business Advisory Council meetings have been coming to a consensus and then being a word of war. War of words has broken out between both the opposition and the government. So those meetings have also not been fruitful. That's why, Nabila, you know, perhaps we could see possibly a little thawing of the entire disruption and the war of words that is happening in the upper house as well today.
Right. Thank you very much, Maushmi, for joining us with those details on that.